In this video, I will show you how to deactivate a Facebook page. First, open Facebook and switch to the page you want to deactivate. Then, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner and open the page settings. Scroll down and tap Access and Control. From there, select Deactivate Page, then tap Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions and select a reason if prompted. Facebook may also ask if you'd like to download your information before deactivating the page. If you don't want to download it, simply tap Continue. Finally, tap Deactivate Page to complete the process. Your Facebook page will now be deactivated and won't be visible to the public until you reactivate it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel